So I'm gonna eat the shrimp. It looks so good. See how it tastes. Small. This is some bougie ass place. Not bad.
It's not bad.
No. Very
There's bread here too.
I'd say I'm drunk like a skunk.
We taste the horse.
Damn, that martini. So I got my fish and chips.
Why didn't you tell me? I want to talk from here. I'm talking in the background about
I'm not gonna lie. I'm too turned up. So I got my fish and chips. I usually don't buy fish and chips. I don't order fish and chips.
You really taste the horse radish.
But yeah, it's supposed to be really good.
Entertainment.
Okay, I'm gonna try the fish and chips. Yeah, I'm recording. Oh shit, I'm too drunk. I can't even eat my fish and chips. Apparently, I can't cut.
I must have been strong ass. I can't even pick it up with the fork.
The fucking roasting. That's so rude.
And it's only 6:47.
This is too early.
I know. That's what I meant.
Alright.
These look good. I don't know what these are. Steak and
It's good. I have no etiquette.
Yeah, neither, all of us.
Exactly, I'm ratchet when it comes.
I mean, come on, look what we're wearing.
As it comes. I can't form sentences. So I got the giggles today. So I wanted the sticky toffee pudding, and then I was like, can you get it? I just want a piece. And what did you say?
I said it depends on the size. If it's small, you can sniff it and look at it. That's it.
It's just so fucking rude. So then what did you say?
I said I'll get one and we can split it.
See, that's fair, and you're fucking rude. You're supposed to be my wife.
I said if you could just pay the $7, it would be fine.
I just wanted a piece.
You smell it and you look at it.
I don't want to just smell it.
You got
It smells sticky toffee pudding, you asshole.
Listen, when I got my steak, you said it smelled good, so you can do the same thing for the
But
pudding.
did we not share?
Share what? I give you a piece.
I know. I wanted a piece.
And it wasn't even that big.
It was so good,
It
though.
was good though. I give you the food. It was good.
Right?
It was delicious.
What are the two nicknames you mentioned today for me?
Instagram model and Google model.
Why am I an Instagram model?
Because you stopped every 5 minutes taking damn pictures.
And why am I Giggle Monster?
You didn't giggle too much after booze. Not after half a cup. Half a cup of booze. Not even.
Half a cup.
Not even. A full cup,
So,
I understand. That's half a cup.
my fail today was me trying to cut a piece. No, just because I took many pics. I was trying to cut my fish and chips, my fish, and I was struggling. Too many fails today.